Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. This time I will explain you about the solar system. Next. Before starting presentation on solar system, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Muklis, number 17. Next. First, I will explain you about the meaning of the solar system. Solar system is a collection of celestial bodies consisting of a star called the Sun, and all objects bound by its gravitational force, which is located in a space far larger than the solar system itself, called a galaxy Milky Way. These objects include 8 known planets with elliptical orbit, 5 dwarf planets, 170 natural satellites that have been identified, and millions of other celestial bodies, meteors, asteroids, and comets. The solar system is divided into the Sun, 4 inner planets, and asteroid belt, 4 outer planets, and in the outer part is the Kuiper belt and scattered disk. The Earth could be located in the further area, which is about 1,000 times outside the outmost part. Based on the distance from the Sun, the ex-planet of the solar system is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next. Okay, then I will explain how the solar system is formed. Here, I will use the theory of nebula or fog, which explains that at the initial stage, the solar system is still a collection of giant fog, like in picture 1. The fog, which is the origin of this solar system, is composed of dust, ice, and gas with high hydrogen content. This fog is called a nebula. Then, the fog shrinks because of the gravitational force it has, as in the second picture. During the process of shrinking, the mist rotates so that it finally heats up and turns into a giant star. The giant star is the Sun, as in the third picture. The size of the giant Sun continues to shrink and spin faster and faster, so that gas ring and ice are thrown out around the Sun. In the end, due to gravitational attraction and the decrease in temperature, the gas and ice solidify and form planet, as in the fourth picture. Next. Okay, then I will explain what are the ingredients in the solar system. In the solar system, there are countless number of space objects, either from small space object or large space object. Here, I will mention some of them in the solar system. The first is stars. Stars are celestial bodies that can emit their own light, one of which we know is the Sun. The second is planets. Planets. You can see in the picture where there are 8 planets is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, orbiting the Sun. The third is satellites. Satellites themselves are celestial bodies that orbit the planets. Every planet almost has its own satellite, except for small planetary planets like Mercury and Venus. Some has only one, and some have up to a dozen. For example, our satellite that orbit our Earth, namely the Moon. The fourth is an asteroid. Asteroid is a rock-shaped celestial body that is usually between planets Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids themselves have a large number in the solar system. There are asteroids that have large volume. For example, asteroid Ceres. And there are also asteroids that have small volume. The fifth is a comet. The comet itself is usually called a tidal star formed from the dust, gas, and ice. And the last is a meteor. That we usually call a meteor is shooting star is an asteroid that loses direction and moves unstable to hit the surface of the planets until it can make damage to the surface of the planet. It hit because the giant rocks rubs against the atmosphere to cause a fire around the giant rock. The conclusion is that we have to give thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Almighty, because of His blessing. We can live calmly and comfortably without worry and safety to collide with other planets or stars or be rained with the meteor. Okay, so much for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.